Hello student, myself Mukesh Kumar Tiwari. Student, today we have to talk about the how to solve a question given related to the solid state. Clear? So a question is given is an element with density, an element with density 2.8 gram per cubic centimeter forms a FCC unit cell with edge length 4 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. Calculate the molar mass of the element. In bracket given Na is equal to 6.022 into 10 power plus 23. Clear? So this is a question given and how to solve this question. So focus the points. First you will write the what is the term given in this question. Clear? Okay, so in this question the density is given and the density D is equal to 2.8 gram per cubic centimeter, and for FCC you know very well the value of Z is equal to 4. Clear? Similarly the edge length is given 4 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter, and the value of Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 to the power plus 23, and you have to find the atomic mass of the element. So you know that what is the formula of the density? D is equal to Z into M upon AQ into Na. Clear? Now you will put you have to find here M. So M will be calculated by putting the value of D, A, Na and Z. Clear? Clear? So we will put here the term. The value of D is 2.8 into A is 4 into 10 power minus 8 whole cube, and Na is 6.022 into 10 power plus 23 upon 4. Clear? Now this will cut and it will give the 0.7, and the M will be here 0.7 into 64 into 10 to the power minus 24 into 6.022 into 10 to the power plus 23. Clear? So this can be also like written like this: 0.77 into 64 into 10 to the power minus 25 into 6.022 into 10 to the power plus 23. Clear? After multiplying these two values, 7 4 ja 28, and here 7 6 ja 42 and 2 44 448 into 10 to the power minus 25 into 6.022 into 10 के power plus 23. Clear? Now here this M is equal to 448 into 6022 into 10 के power minus 20 8 into 10 के power plus 23. Clear? Now come on here. This m will be this m will be 448 into 6022 into 10 to the power here minus 5. Now multiply this value 6022 and 448. This will be the 16, 10, 11, sorry 17 and 0, 1, 48, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, 0, 24, 2 the 8, 4 to the 8, 0, 24, 6, 8, 7, 15, 8, 8, 16 and 1, 17 or 1, 18, 8, 8, 16 or 1, 17 and 5, 6, 2, 2, 6, 5, 7, m is equal to 2, 6, 5, 7, 8, 5, 6 into 10 to power minus 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So m will be 26.5 U. Clear? So this will be the right answer of the given question. Clear? And once again we will repeat here. The given question is this, and how to solve this all you can see properly. Clear? Now come on, what is the second question given? The second question is given is an element crystallizes in a structure having FCC unit cell of an edge length 200 picometer. Calculate the density if 200 gram of this element contains 24 into 10 power 23 atom. Clear? So how to solve this question? You will write the solution given that, and in your question the term which are given here, first FCC are given. So for FCC the value of Z will be 4 and the edge length A is the 200 picometer. Now you will change 200 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. So A will be the 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. Clear? Now the second thing is that in this question the mass of the element is not given. Clear? So how you will find the mass? You will find the mass of this data, 24 into 10 power 23 and 200 gram. Clear? You will write here the mass of 24 into 10 to the power 23 atom is equal to 200 gram. So mass of 6.022 into 10 power 23 atom is equal to 200 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 upon, this will be upon 24 into 10 power 23. So this will be 10 power 23 and 10 power 23 will be cancelled. and this will be as 602.2 into 2 upon 24, or this will be the 12, and 12 5 is 60, clear, and 12 5.1, no sorry 50.1, nearest the mass of the element will be 50.1. Now use the formula D is equal to Z into M upon AQ into Na, clear. So by using this formula we can easily calculate the value of, you have to find here D. So 4 into 50.4 upon 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 whole cube into 6.022 into 10 power 23. So D is equal to 200.4 upon 8 into 10 to the power minus 24 into 6.022 upon 10 के power plus 23, clear. So D is equal to 200.4 upon 8 into 6022 into 10 to the power minus 27 into 10 के power plus 23, clear. So this will be the D is equal to 200.4 upon, after calculating the 6022 and 8 to just 16, it was 16 and 17 0 1 and 8 6 are 48. So this will be the 48176 into 10 to the power minus 4, clear. And this can be also written like this, 200.4 upon 4.81, clear, 4.81. So from here, after calculating this thing, we get the answer of the density, clear. Thank you.